Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today in this video we're going to be working on this 2008 Subaru Outback. So we're going to show you how to remove the fuel feed line to the fuel injection rail in the engine compartment. So if you need any parts for your vehicle, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. So we're going to remove the plastic safety clip. This is just in case the internal clip fails, it stops the line from separating. So on the Subaru, this 08 Subaru Outback with a 2.5, we have these notches. There's one on opposite sides of each other. So there's two here and two completely opposite on the other side. So we get 12 and 6 o'clock. That means that at 3 and 9 o'clock are the butterfly clips in here that hold this fuel line on. So you take two picks that are 90-degree angle and you gently push on them and the fuel line comes right off. Now I'm going to hook up the fuel lines, the fuel return line and the fuel supply line. This is the fuel return. I'm going to get a pair of pliers and put that on right away because it's I smell gas. Do you smell gas? Then put this connector on. Hear it click. Now there is a lock pin for that. It's the plastic guide. So that goes like this. Snaps into place. Work my way over here. Came out of the bracket.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.